People living along Big Sandy Creek north of Lake Travis say it's our turn now.
They watched as TxDOT built a new bridge over Cow Creek in just a matter of weeks. Now with their bridge showing little progress, KVUE's Brianna Perez explains they want the county to pay more attention to them.
The Big Sandy Creek Bridge is seeing its first signs of progress nearly 2 months after flooding shut it down. But patience in the community is running thin.
Cow Creek got repaired and we've seen that happen, but now we're kind of waiting on our turn when that's going to be. We haven't seen any progress at all.
Angela Lowry is a lifelong resident of the Sandy Creek community. She says she built her farm here to create a life of peace. But ever since the July floods tore through the community, damaging homes and critical roads, that peace has been shaken.
Every time it rains, we've had several rain events the last few days, we're all terrified we are going to be stuck here or stuck on the other side.
Right now, the county's solution is this temporary low water crossing, but some residents say that when the rain starts to come down, this creek here is too close for comfort. They're hoping for a long-term fix sooner rather than later.
Yeah, I mean, just being able to get out and have our normal lives again was huge. But the low water crossing itself, it can be a little scary to go over. For us, it's feeling like it's the flood all over again when we don't have a timeline for those repairs or even just some idea of when they might start.
According to county officials, the contractor has been selected for the Big Sandy Creek Bridge project. Once paperwork is finalized, crews will begin work and are expected to operate 24/7, finishing repairs in about 30 to 45 days. Officials say the delay compared to the recently reopened Cow Creek Bridge comes down to funding. Cow Creek was a state-funded TxDOT project. Meanwhile, Big Sandy Creek is funded by Travis County, which has fewer resources and a smaller budget. For families in the area, Lowry says the bridge is about safety and peace of mind.
We all need to heal at this point. You know, we're all, it's such a tender spot and it's only been a few months. And so, you know, for us just to feel safer in our homes, that bridge will really make that happen for us so that we don't feel trapped here.
County officials say they plan to give more updates to the public Tuesday during Commissioner's Court. Along Big Sandy Creek in Travis County, Brianna Perez, KVUE News.